Hi folks, and welcome to this episode of Michael's Backyard Marina. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to sew. You guys say, oh, real men don't sew. Yes, real men do sew. I sew. I'm a real man. So, pun intended. You probably ask yourself, hey, I like wearing shorts all summer and it's getting cold out. What can I do to keep wearing shorts throughout the winter? Well, I've got the cure for you. Fleece lined shorts. Now, normally you find fleece lined pants. You can find them at your different stores in denim or in just a regular material, cotton material. I'm going to cut off some and make them into shorts. I'm going to show you how to do it. Then you can tell people, this is my winter apparel. And you can flip it inside out and show them your fleece. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to convert a pair of long pants into short pants, because I have trouble in the winter months trying to find shorts, and I like wearing shorts all year long. Let's get after it. The first thing you gotta do is cut the long pants off. And how do you do that? You measure from the inseam, that's right in the crotch. Measure from the inseam down to how far you want, to how long of shorts you want. Now I like just barely over the knee type of short, and that's about a 14-inch inseam for me. So I'm gonna go 14. I'm gonna allow myself 15. That's gonna allow me to roll it under and create a hem. So let's go ahead and cut this off right there. You want a good cut, clean, straight cut, because you can use this cut for your reference. There's one leg. Now we're going to pull the other leg down and cut it. Now they're a lot shorter. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll this hem under. And I like to do a double roll because it'll get this frayed edge tucked under and sewn in. So what you do then is I like to roll it under about a ½ inch. I cut it about 15 inches, so I want to end up with 14. So I'm going to do a ½ inch and a ½ inch. And when you fold it under, you want to hit it with the iron. So see right there, I'm rolled under about a ½ inch from here to here. Apply a little heat to get you going. And you keep doing that all the way around. All right, once you've done that, so as you can see here, It's folded over twice. There's no ragged edge here. It's all tucked in. We've ironed it so it's flat and sharp and crisp, and we put a few pins in it to hold it there while we sew. So now let's get busy sewing. Now what I'll be using today to sew these up with is a 1960 Singer straight stitch sewing machine. It only does straight stitch and straight stitch only. I've got thread in here that matches my material, and I've got a bobbin in here with the same thread on it. So we're ready to sew. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off with one leg, and what I'm going to do here is on my machine here, it has measuring marks here. I'm going to use number 4 here from the center to along to the edge of my hem, and I'll maintain that all the way around the whole leg. That will give me a nice hem job that's the same distance all the way up, all the way around. So let's get going after that. Okay, folks, there you have it. Nice, respectable pair of shorts of what used to be long pants. People sometimes say, why, Michael, did you take a brand new pair of pants and cut them off? Because I like shorts. I can't help it. I just like them. So I do what I need to do to keep myself comfortable. Got my cargo pockets, got my room for my wallet, or my phone and my wallet. I'm ready to go. Now, what you can run into, like I do, is you buy pants that are big enough to fit you through the thighs, but then the waist can be a little sloppy. So what I do is I put a dart in these pants. I'll show you how to do that, because these here have just a little bit of extra room in them. By the time I wear them a little bit, the weight that I carry in my pockets is going to pull my pants down. Can't have that. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased. We're wearing these to work today, folks. Now I'm going to show you how to sew up a dart. Now you go to the back of the pant, and I like to do it right between here and here. And what I'll do is I'll put these two belt loops together like this. And then what we're going to do is we'll sew a little angle right down here. And all we're going to do is take up about that much pant. Now that'll shorten your waistline up about a ½ inch. So let's do that. You can see here, there's 2 darts sewn in here from the outside. That's what you're going to see. It just does a nice job of taking up a little bit of slack. Once you iron those over, you think that would bother you, but it doesn't. It doesn't bother you at all. Pretty cool. Okay, that's much better. Yeah, that took up just about an inch in the waist. That's exactly what I needed. Now, my pants hang on to my hips better. Much better. Cool, cool. I'm ready for school. Well, folks, that's it for this episode of Michael's Backyard Marina. We got some shorts sewn up today. I'm going to do a few more pair this morning yet, and I'll be ready for the week of wearing brand new shorts that used to be long pants. That's how you go about doing it. It's simple. It's easy to do. Teach yourself to sew if you don't know how to sew. I've got a collection of sewing machines here. I like the Singer straight stitch and double stitch. I've got a couple of zigzag machines as well. And you ask yourself, Michael, why do you have so many sewing machines? I don't know. I'm obsessive compulsive when it comes to my hobbies, I guess. So, get out there and do something fun today, folks. Sewing's actually kind of relaxing for me. It's a wintertime thing I can do. I sew up myself some fleece pants to keep myself warm in the wintertime and different things like that. It's something to do. Keeps yourself productive. Keeps that cabin fever away over the winter, these long Iowa winters. So, get out there and do something fun. Hope this was helpful. This is a little out of the norm for my videos, but I thought I'd throw it out there and see what kind of response I get. Thank you folks for watching. Get out there and enjoy life. Do something fun. Michael out.